Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to recover lost folder from desktop and walk you through simple methods to get your files back step by step. Step 1. Go to your desktop, double-click on the recycle bin icon to view its contents. The recycle bin temporarily stores deleted files so they can be restored easily. Step 2. Locate the folder or files you want to recover inside the recycle bin. If you want to restore multiple items, hold the Control key and click each one you need. Step 3. Click on Recycle Bin Tools at the top of the window and choose Restore the selected items. This action sends the files back to their original location. Step 4. The restored folders or files will return to their original place, which in most cases will be your desktop. Step 5. Open File Explorer, then right-click on the desktop folder in the left sidebar and select Restore Previous Versions. This option uses restore points or backups saved earlier. Step 6. A list of available previous versions of the desktop folder will appear. Choose a version created before the folder was lost, then click Restore. Step 7. Windows will restore the selected version and bring back the missing folders and files to your desktop automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful PC troubleshooting videos.